guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button and the bell button for future notifications. Thank you Wig Studio One for sending me this piece. She also offers a support group through Facebook. You can search it under Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group, and we'd love to see y'all there. The piece I'm wearing today is a human hair push piece, and it is sold at Wig Studio One. However, this was a test piece, and so she no longer does this one, but she does offer other styles. This is one that I customized, and it's just been through a long process to get where it is now. This is over Rene of Paris Lennox, and she is in their new color Milk Tea LR, and that LR is the long root you see here. Now this color is tricky, and I think they know it is, and that's why they just describe it as like a creamy beige, and it's got a medium brown root, but depending on the light, especially outside, which I will take y'all out there, this color turns burgundy, and then this turns just like a mute gray, and this is just what my eyes see. Her cap has a center lace part, and it goes back pretty far, and here's the lace, and it goes to the temple. Here's the ear tabs. She's open wefted. She has an extended nape, and there's that root. Bra sliding adjusters, and you know, with that root all through there, you could probably do some cute updos with this piece because she's long. Look at those waves. This hair is stunning. It's a lot, but it's beautiful. I personally cannot pull off this color. However, I want to order this in just a marble brown. I think she would just be so beautiful in a more natural color as well. Let's look at her lace front. Now it is pretty dense in there. The knots aren't too bad. You could pluck it if you wanted, but I don't know. To me, it's not bad. Let's go over measurements. My head from the hairline to the tip of my chin is 8 inches and my neck is 4. And so when I do a spin, you can measure your face, and then you can judge where these luscious layers and waves will fall on you. It's all in here. But I didn't feel it. It doesn't feel like a helmety, and it doesn't have showing permatease in here. Okay guys, let's go out and look at her in natural lighting. Alright guys, I hope this helped. Like and subscribe.